anybody, you may need a pretty car from team. Here some cocky first time to address a discreet, you know what I mean. It's a healthy girl, like we don't care. So she hurting her love, I know she don't care.
Guys, it's lilyalecia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and if you guys are new, of course, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn your post notification bells on so you guys know exactly when I upload every single video. As you guys see that by the title, I did receive two different wigs from Unice or Unice, however you guys pronounce it. They went ahead and sent me two different wigs. One is a 24-inch headband wig, and another one is, I think, a 12-inch cap wig. I've never tried out a cap wig before, so we're gonna see how this goes. So if you guys are interested in this unboxing and also the install of both of these wigs, just go ahead and keep on watching. So of course, this did come in DHL, and this is a very huge box. It can't even fit in the frame. This is a very huge box because there's two. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can feel that there's definitely two boxes in here. Shipping was fast, okay? So I think shipping was about 2 or 3 days. They tried to deliver it yesterday, but I wasn't home, so I had to go and pick it up because I was not gonna wait on my package. Okay, so as I stated before, I have two of these boxes. Whoop whoop, they can't even fit in the frame. Okay, so these of course is what the boxes are looking like. Okay, it says Unice, Unice, or Unice. I think it's Unice, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this first one. Now this one's a little bit bent, but of course it is not the company's fault. It is actually shipping fault, so that's why it's like this. So I don't even pay attention to the box when it comes like this because I know that it's not their fault. First, when I do open up the package, I do see here that there's a little drawstring in here. It does come with wig caps and also an extra headband. So that is the first thing that you see. This is the Waterwave. Let me see here. Okay, so it doesn't say. Okay, it says WW, which I'm assuming it stands for Waterwave. Duh. So the first box that I'm going to open is the 24-inch Waterwave headband wig in the color natural black. Okay, the link to the hair will be in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and click on it and see, you know, check it out and everything. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the Waterwave. This is what it comes in. It comes in a long bag like this. So this is the 24 inches. So I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to get all of this in frame. So this is what it's looking like. It's in the net, of course, and then it does come with another headband. It's a nice, cute, stylish headband, decorative headband. Okay. So far in this package, I do have two headbands. This headband is a cheetah headband, and this is kind of like a floral headband, like a fall headband. And then it also comes with the netting, which I'm going to go ahead and take it off. You guys know this. You guys know that it comes with 4 combs, of course, one in the front, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the back. And then this comes with adjustable straps, and of course the Velcro portion to tighten up your headband. This is what the texture is looking like. It's a gorgeous water wave. Okay, and normally I do like to wash my wigs before I wear them, but for the purpose of the video, I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on. So I already did my baby hairs and my edges and everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. So far, you guys, this hair is super soft. But of course, I feel like every wig is gonna be soft once you get it, like fresh out the pack. It's gonna be soft. I'm running my fingers through it, and I am getting a bit of shedding. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there are a couple of strands there. So this is what it looks like in its natural, fresh out the bag state. It's not washed. I didn't put any water on it. Nothing like that. I wanted to show you guys how long the hair actually is. So like curly, it's like literally right at the tip or like the end of my boobs. Okay, so, and then this is the back. Okay. That's how the hair is looking. It's nice, it's bouncy, it's soft. I like it. I like it. So now I'm gonna show you guys the different hairstyles and different headbands. Alright guys, so that's it for this wig. Again, the link to this hair will be in the description box down below, so you guys can check it out. There will also be a code down below that you guys can use for money off this hair. We're gonna go ahead and try on and unbox the other wig.